No elder should starve in a place meant to care for them. Malnutrition in nursing homes isn't a diet issue. It's neglect, and it's deadly. I once represented a family whose father entered a nursing home healthy, strong, independent, and hopeful. But within 2 months, he'd lost over 20 pounds. The staff said he's just not eating well. But the truth was, he wasn't refusing food. He simply wasn't being fed. His dietary plan had been ignored. He needed soft meals and hydration checks, yet none of that was being followed. Nurses skipped mealtime rounds, kitchen staff were short-handed, and no registered dietitian was monitoring him. By the time his family realized, he was weak, confused, and severely malnourished. When we filed the claim, we found over a dozen residents suffering from similar neglect. The facility's management had been cutting staff and skipping nutritional protocols, turning simple neglect into systemic abuse. Under U.S. elder neglect and nursing home care law, every facility must provide proper nutrition, hydration, and monitoring. When that duty is breached through understaffing, ignored meal plans, or falsified records, it's neglect under the law. The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services estimates that up to 35% of U.S. nursing home residents experience malnutrition or major weight loss each year. The World Health Organization warns that poor nutrition increases infection risks, slows recovery, and leads to early death. Our nursing home neglect attorneys have recovered millions for families impacted by negligence, including a $3 million case involving fatal neglect and a $1,700,000 settlement for a preventable hip fracture. Families can pursue compensation for medical costs, pain, emotional distress, and wrongful death, but the real goal is prevention. Every successful case forces nursing homes to face accountability and implement life-saving changes. When I meet families facing this, their first emotion is disbelief. How could this happen in a licensed facility? But malnutrition doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of days, weeks, even months of neglect. A missed meal here, a skipped hydration log there, and the resident's body begins to fail. Families trusted professionals to care, and those professionals broke that trust. No one deserves to fade away from something as preventable as hunger. Speaking up isn't about revenge, it's about protection. One family's voice can safeguard hundreds more from the same fate. If you suspect your parent or loved one suffered from malnutrition in a nursing home, reach out for a free, confidential consultation. I'll personally review your case. For a free consultation, call now 800-926-7565. For more information, please visit nursinghomelawcenter.org.